And when it did finally die down, whatever blew in, front blew in, and now I get some pretty good wind. I don't dare fly that Harbor Freight P-51. It is still wet out here in Eddington, in the field, airfield. It's still wet, so you got to be careful where you walk. The grass is not yet mowed. I thought it would be today, but it's not. But I can fly the timber anyway. I can do that. That's not a problem. I'm going to cut the timer down a little bit just because I've been playing with it on the ground. So we're just gonna, so we'll see what happens with it. Get the sun over here in my landing direction, so it's gonna be a problem. I have to go around it. It'll be kind of funny, but I'm already out here, so let's see what we can do. She gets in the air really quick with this breeze. I'm putting a gyro on just because of the wind. Really don't like the sun position right now. Not at all. I may have to go with low rates on this thing.
High rates, low rates, expo on.
We're going to do expo. Because I think I get expos dialed into this plane.
7 minutes.
I don't have it dialed into all the planes. Nice little hammerhead. She's a little tossy and turny. Lost it in the sun there for a second, but I've got stabilizer on, so we're pretty much okay. Turn it around. Coming underneath it. Underneath the sun. Boy, she's getting a little tossed around. Not too bad. A little power into the turns.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
I'm gonna see how it's gonna. Boy. It's kind of a crosswind. Not really liking it, but what much I can do.
Take off flaps.
They come in this way because of the sun.
Time to start.
Alright, that was not a bad landing. I'll take it. Flaps still there. Gonna run it.
Remaining 5 minutes.
Gonna do a slow pass with the flaps. Takeoff. Maybe I'll go the other way. That's into the wind right there. A lot of rudder in this turn.
Flaps up.
I'm just burning the battery right now. Not doing anything I came out here to do. over the sun. Yeah, she is kind of tossy. I'm still debating on that Harbor Freight plane, but I just don't think I'm going to fly it. If I do, it's going to be out in the other part of the field. Gyro's holding it pretty good. I do like that. Up and over the sun. Back around.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
3 minutes. I'm going to try a downwind landing just because I don't like the direction right now.
Takeoff flaps. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start.
And let's see, we'll go with flaps up for
Flaps
this
up.
one. 2 minutes left.
Timer start.
Blowing pretty good now. Guess we won't be doing a downwind landing.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
We'll try another landing from over here.
Takeoff flaps.
Do that again.
Flaps up.
We'll do no flaps this time.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm coming in this kind of crazy way because that's the way the wind is. Wow, she picked right up the wind, right at that landing point. Now I have to go back around.
30 seconds.
We'll try it this way one more time. That's it. That's it, guys.